Tonight, an update on the El Faro investigation and what led to the deaths of 33 crew members. As we showed you Tuesday, the Coast Guard is now attending conduct hearings in Jacksonville next month, asking questions about what happened. Today, Jim Piggott spoke with the man who led that investigation. He hopes the results will bring new laws that might prevent this from happening again.
There are still many secrets that need to be recovered from the wreck of the El Faro. And while they may never be able to salvage the sunken ship, the Coast Guard is hoping to find many answers with its Board of Investigation. Captain Jason Neubauer will head up the probe and says there are many people involved that he plans to question in this public inquiry.
Accountability for the accident. We're looking for any evidence of misconduct, negligence, or inattention to duty by any parties that could have affected the marine casualty.
To get to that point, they will first conduct 10 days of hearings that will look at the history of the El Faro, inspection reports, past operations, crew members' duties and responsibilities. In weeks to come, they will reconvene and look at the voyage itself, the weather conditions, cargo, and navigation. Then they will issue findings, possibly in the summer.
The final report will likely have safety recommendations to try to influence new laws or regulations that can help prevent a reoccurrence. It may also have recommendations related to enforcement actions.
If there is any criminal or civil wrongdoing, that will be turned over to the Justice Department. The Coast Guard can issue fines for civil penalties. While 10 of the families of the victims have opted to settle already, others are waiting to see what comes out from this and other investigations. We talked to an attorney in Texas who represents 4 of the families that have not settled.
Coast Guard has their investigation, and that's on one track, and then we have a certain investigation that we do, and, we need some of these towed officials to get deposed under oath, and we need to get to the bottom of why in the world, do they allow this to happen.
Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.
The hearings are open and will be held at the Convention Center. Family members have told News4Jax they plan to be there.